Mom, how are you? How are you, my friend? Very good. Where do you want your bomber? Ah, very good. Congratulations. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. The new homeowner. Together with your wife. Very good, very good, very good. So, what is your experience of this place? When you're moving in today?
We're moving in. We don't like latest the experience. I think I've been able to see this infrastructure coming up. I really like the place. Yes. The construction. The team has been very helpful. Just to show us what the different types of houses are.
Correct.
So those are very smart.
So, did you start paying slowly?
Yes. Actually, what happened is when they were working with people in the shops.
Yes.
We happened to starting.
Yes. Let's check what.
Yes, exactly. And then we met a very kind if you guys want to apply to the website, it's an additional process. Then we put the partnership around. Correct. And then it's all the same. So because we 64 hours and 5%.
Yes.
Let's come back and then
okay.
They want to do the application. I mean, we are just fortunate to say we should have
Mongezi kabisa. Thank you very much. Thank you for welcoming us to your new home.
I think so. I think Mr. President will say that we're very fortunate. Lucky enough, I'm not only a beneficiary of my life.
Yes.
But also my wife is a beneficiary of my life.
Oh, Nota. Oh my goodness. Very
So
good.
I'm one of the luckiest.
You guys are lucky.
Yeah.
You guys are lucky.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
We have 64 applications, and they are one of the successful ones. 33 have been approved.
33 already have been
Have
approved.
been approved. They are homeowners.
Yes.
Some of the people who are outside there. Yeah. And that's like 2 months ago.
2 months only.
Yeah.
So,
After you came here in November. Inaenda.
Sasa tutakaa chonjo.
These are homes. You know, this is shelter.